Before using the fireplace, make sure the hopper is filled with wood pellets. You will find a black bucket next to the fireplace with additional wood pellets. If you need more, there are bags underneath the stairs in a closet that's next to the bathroom downstairs. Once the hopper is filled, it will last you 2 days of continuous use. Open the panel on the side and make sure it is set to auto. To turn on the unit, use the white thermostat and hit the on button. Then hit the set button and set it to your desired temperature and hit the set button again. You will know that the fireplace is starting to work when you hear the fan go on and you hear the wood pellets drop. It kind of sounds like popcorn kernels. It will take a full 15 minutes for it to completely ignite and power on. Once the fireplace is on, it will self-regulate and turn on and off as needed to maintain your desired temperature. However, if it stays off for more than 30 minutes because the townhouse is warmer than the temperature you set, it will completely power off and you will need to start the unit again. I suggest you do not use other heaters upstairs while the fireplace is on. On the left of the fireplace is an air intake regulator. It should be in the optimal position. However, if you find that the flame is too large, push it all the way in, then slightly pull it out an inch. That is the optimal position. Once you get the fireplace going, you will find that this is a very easy fireplace to operate and it requires very little attention. To turn off the fireplace, simply hit the off button. Please be aware that it will take a full 30 minutes for the flames to completely burn out and for the fireplace to completely shut off.